Hey guys, your girl is back. Welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super delicious, easy to make, epic Hawaiian chicken burger. So let's get straight into it. Look at the colors. You know I was going to come through, okay? So to make the meat mixture, I'm going to be using gochujang, about a couple tablespoons of it. That's the brand I will be using. That's why I'm showing it, but you already know they come in all kinds of brands. Get the brand in your city or your supermarket that you can find. Gochujang is one of those condiments that I use a lot. As you can see, the tub is almost empty. You're going to put a couple tablespoons of the pineapple juice, or you could, buy separate pineapple juice, but I'm just using the pineapple juice from my pineapple wedges, and that's what I'm using today, even though the recipe is going to be using fresh pineapple. But child, don't ask, listen, I'm making it do what it do, okay? So now I'm going to add the ground chicken. You can use ground beef, ground turkey, whatever floats your boat, but I feel like ground chicken will be great here, as well as 2 stalks of scallions and a little salt. I'm using kosher salt, but you can use the salt that you prefer, as well as some chicken seasoning. You already know it's going to be McCormick, child. I love McCormick. You want to mix this up. First of all, I wish y'all could smell this. Like, first of all, this was genius. And then second of all, I wish y'all could smell this, okay? And so once you get it nice and mixed up, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to have a nice, slightly pink or red, depending on the gochujang that you have, color. And this is what it looks like, nice and seasoned and ready to go. So now I'm going to toast up my buns because you want to get the safe foods out the way first. So I'm going to toast up my buns. Now, y'all, you know I forgot to grease the thing, child. You know I did. But I'm fixing it, okay? This is the behind the scenes that some people don't be showing when they make their videos. I don't care, okay? I'm going to get straight into it. I'm going to let you know when you forget something or mess up, you can fix it, period. So now I'm also going to add my pineapple slices. This is fresh pineapple. I cut it down in half because obviously, the circle, it was too big. So I cut it and took some of the core out, and that's what I have. So now I removed the buns that were nice and toasted. I'm going to move the pineapple to the back so that the other side can get nice and toasty. And now I'm going to start adding my bacon. My bacon came from Aldi. It's not no specialty bacon. It was $4.49, and I got it from the Aldi grocery store. Use your favorite bacon. You're good to go. By the way, this sandwich was so good. Like, I'm not even kidding. I know I always say this about my recipes, but I promise you, if a recipe is bad, I don't even put it on my channel. It's not making it. Like, if it's bad, I have plenty of videos that I done made for y'all, and I had to throw them out because they weren't good. And, I'm not afraid to say that. So now I'm forming my patties. That was me just showing you that my gloves are wet. I put the gloves on, wet my hands, and then it was easy to form the patty. Chicken and beef are 2 different things. The chicken will stick. It will give you a hard time if you don't wet your hands. You have to wet your hands, or if you have on the gloves, wet the gloves as well. I mean, wet the gloves, not wet your hands and the gloves. You get the point. But yeah, and that'll make it nice and easy for you. All right, so this is just a little saucy sauce. I'm using some QP mayo, some of the pineapple juice, just a little choops of the pineapple juice, some ketchup, a little dash of apple cider vinegar, and some salt. That's the sauce. I kept it simple because you got the bacon, the cheese, the patty meat that's super seasoned. Just if you want to just use mayo, child, you good. Okay, don't. I didn't overdo it this time. Y'all know I'm a sauce girl. I'm the sauce queen, period. So now this is what my patties look like. Look how beautiful they look. And now I'm just going to flip them in the direction that I added it to the pan. The grill. And so look at that beautiful color because of the gochujang. Like, I can't even deal. This patty is so good. You don't even have to make a burger. Eat it with some rice. Put it in a lettuce boat. Eat it with some vegetables. So now I'm topping it with Munster cheese and let it melt. And now I'm going to put the burger together. So to my toasted bun, I will be adding my sauce. as well as now I'm adding my meat patty with the melted cheese on top. By the way, I cooked this for about 5 minutes per side just to make sure it's cooked all the way through. This is chicken, honey, okay? Next, I'm gonna add my pineapple pieces. The pineapple was definitely the star of the show. They were beautifully charred, and they just brought this like extra pop to the burger. I also added my bacon and some couple slices of tomatoes. In my opinion, those could have been optional, but I did like the moisture that it brought to the sandwich. Topped it with some more sauce, topped it off with the bun, and baby, your kids, your husband, your boyfriend, whoever you got, whatever you got going on, your wife, bring this to them when they mad at you and see what happened, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching. I did pair this with some fries I threw in the air fryer, and that was it. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. I'm trying to be as consistent as I can. Thank you for your support and patience, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.